Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make a fun, interactive quiz using Canva? Whether you are a teacher, coach, or content creator, today I will show you exactly how to create a clickable quiz in Canva, step by step. Start by opening a presentation template in Canva. Search for presentation. Like this. You can start from scratch or use a Canva quiz template. Just search quiz here. It's clean, easy to navigate, and designed it for slide-based content. Now choose one from here. Then click customize this template. Make it visual, use colors, icons, or emojis to make your quiz more fun and engaging. Next, create feedback slides. These are the slides viewers will go to when they click and answer. These slides give your quiz that interactive feel like a game, keep the tone fun and encouraging. Here's the magic part. Canva lets you link any elements to another slide. Just click the text or button, then hit link. And choose which slide is should to go. You have just made a clickable quiz. That means users can actually click answer and jump to the results. At the end of the quiz, you can include a score summary or thank you messages or link this to your website, newsletter, or next video. Canva lets can get creative. So now select the text, enter your question, open a new tab and search any topics like Python quiz. Now choose a questions from here. Click on it and select all and paste here. Now adjust the text like this. Now add answer here. Type manually echo hello world. Then adjust the text size like this. Again add second again resize the text. Resize the text again. And drag onto your canvas like this. And finally, add a new answer like this. Resize the text. And play the video. And here, click the three dot icon. Click duplicate page. Now change the color of the background like this. And again play the video. You can add some audio sounds effects from the Elements tab. From audio section, search for wind sound effect. Choose one, a sound effects from here. And drag onto your canvas. That's it. Then you can add more page. Just click add page again, or copy the page, like click the three dot and duplicate the page and change the question and answer. So easy. At the end of the quiz, you can include a score, summary, or thank you message. To share your quiz, click the share button, then click the see all button, then click present. To play it live or download it as a PDF with clickable links. Click the download, choose PDF standard, then download for clickable links. Use it in classrooms, email marketing, Instagram bios, or just for fun with friends. And that's how you create an interactive quiz in Canva. No coding needed, no hassle. Just design a link and share. Drop a comment if you want a tutorial on scoring systems or Canva quizzes for email marketing next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.